How to cut a perfect hole in HVAC ductwork. My easy HVAC installation tip. In this video, I'll show you how to cut a clean, circular hole into HVAC sheet metal for duct installation. Whether you're installing a new takeoff vent or fitting, this method works perfectly for DIYers and pros. I'm using basic tools to get the job done right, safely and efficiently. Tools used: power drill with metal cutting bit, hand seamer, crimper, protective gloves and knee pads. Subscribe for more HVAC tips, DIY installations and home improvement content.